Hi everyone, I'm Francis from Racing Trading. Right now I represent our new product of 2024. So we kind of like put our own design on the Scar Edge system. We have also the WE and VFC version. And we made the non-recyclable charging handle. So your front will be very safe with our system. Yeah. And we also make since we cut the ball carrier group in half, so we reduced the weight already, we also put a ball bearing underneath. So you can see how smooth light is. The purpose of light is to increase the gas efficiency. So basically, we put less gas, but we run the full cycle. So it helps the player, your magazine from first round and last round will keep the same ballistic drop. Yeah. And in order to improve that, we also cooperate with Nasdaq with their new technology. They put a 17 kilogram air pressure inside the CO2 cartridge through a regulator, and outcome will be 12 kilogram. So we will make the 25 round magazine with the 2 CO2 cartridges inside. So we expect to clean out whole magazine with the same ballistic drop, yeah, to make it more accuracy. And we also change the free floating barrel, yeah, to improve accuracy. And other than that, we have 2 different types of the gas block. This one is heavy duty, and another one is lightweight. So if the player accidentally get tripped on the battlefield, the barrel stuck in the mud or hit the wall or something, it will protect the barrel. Yeah. So we increase the durability and also make it lightweight and very more efficiency. We are available in 4 different colors.